My name is Martijn Jansen. I'm the Commercial Director at Rompa Group. And we have been looking into the development China has gone through. China has been associated with cheap workforce, poor quality and the copying of products. Nowadays, China is the electronic capital of the world. Their quality level is according to European standards. And China's Greater Bay Area is the new breeding ground for skilled engineers and innovations. We are active in China since 1997 and we have obtained wonderful experience in doing business in China. Soon we will publish our latest white paper which takes you on a journey of developments in China and our experiences. Stay updated. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn and you will get informed about all what's going on within Rompa. Talk to you soon.